So now we have our printable report. Let's click on that and it'll populate over here. But what do we do whenever we want to do a different number and we want these to automatically disappear at the beginning of each report? So let's go ahead and hit Alt F11 and let's go ahead and clear out that area dynamically. So we're going to go ahead and determine the last row of not only this report, but we're going to get the last row of the report sheet as well as the data sheet. So let's just do RPT LR for reports last row, and then we'll take this and we'll kind of tweak it a little bit. So I'm going to copy and paste that, but I don't want D sheet, I want RPT sheet, and I want to get the last row of that sheet. So that ought to do it. So with this RPT LR, I'll show you, that will actually tell us what the last row is. So all we need to do is we need to say RPT sheet.range, and I'm going to say I want the range of A2 through B in quote, and now I'm going to put an ampersand, and I'm going to have the dynamic part be RPT LR, and I'm going to close it up. What that's going to say is the range of A2 through B, whatever the heck row this is. So A2 through B, let's say this was row 8, it would say A2 through B 8, because this will be a number of the last row. That number dot clear contents tab. So what that's going to do is that's going to clear out the last report dynamically. Let's go ahead and try that on for size. Let's hit Control F8, and that'll run it up to the current point. So we have the last row is 8. So we're going to take A2 through B 8 dot clear contents. So if I hit F8, you'll see over here it clears out just the part that I want. And that's basically it for that. So if we let's run this and let's say 350, hit enter. So you can't see it, but over on my report, it went ahead and ran our report. Oh, and what just happened? Something got erased. Let's investigate. Okay, it looks like we just erased, because this report was blank, looks like the last row was row 1, and so we probably want to add +1 to that. That way it'll always at least, instead of saying A2 through B1, well, that would erase backwards. Let's just have it always start at least, the ending would always be 2. So let's go ahead and copy the name and sale amount back over there. Let's see, name and sale amount. And we'll copy that back here. And then let's rerun our report. 350. Okay. So now it will erase it and it will redo the next range.